everyone and welcome back to my channel. Eating low carb transformed my life. It gave me more energy, focus, and it can change yours as well. So today we're going to be making chicken ranch bake. So all you're going to need is some broccoli, chicken, garlic powder, onion powder, and my homemade ranch dressing, and some little parmesan and mozzarella cheese, and bacon for the top. Let's get into it. So I've pre-cooked 5 minutes of the broccoli. So let's put it in the bowl or your dish. It's about 2 cups. I may have got a bit too much here. Just enough to cover the bottom. I'm going on back to bear country. There we go. And now we're just going to put the chicken on. This meal is great if you're like a busy professional, parents, you know, wanting something really easy and quick to get done. Like you can pick up a rotisserie on the way home and you can get this done under 30 minutes. It's perfect. The road is dark, but I can see. I know I'm getting close. Right, so we've covered that up. Now we're going to put in some of my ranch dressing, and I'll link the dressing into the on the YouTube. Cover it all, let it seep down into the bottom. That should do. Some mozzarella. I'll put some parmesan on first. Take my body, but I'll never take my soul. Use as much as you like to your preferences. If you're wanting to watch your macros and things like that and how many calories you consume, so maybe perhaps use less or whatever. And I will walk till I fall to my knees. Great, and then just top it with some bacon. So I've already cooked this up. So I don't like too much crispy bacon, so you just cook it how you like and top it. And then just put it in the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Right, there we go. Just pulling the chicken ranch bake out of the oven. Looks and smells amazing. Here we have our chicken ranch bake. Look how creamy it is, and the bacon looks so delicious. So there you have it, chicken ranch bake. Easy, under 30 minutes, dinner's done and it's on the table. Okay, so let's try it. So good. Gotta make this. Love it. So creamy. Oh, and then with the ranch dressing is amazing. Go try it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.